Anyway, guys, I have met two ladies this week through social media. One of them is my relatives, and she's not here in Philippines. One of them is my long lost classmate. So, she's my classmate during first year student, yeah, secondary school, and we haven't met for more than for 3 decades, and she reached me out here, and I am so happy to meet her again uh, on that messenger only. And it is a greatest privilege for me to learn something what she has shared on me, and it is also a privilege for me to share those positive or encouragement sa kanya. Anyway, guys, it is not easy actually magiging single mother. And we all knows that single mother such a very strong woman, and they have faith in God. So, speaking about partners, about men's, okay? Men's are usually consider themselves or a good provider if we provide like paying bills, buy groceries, they can send their children to school, they can buy clothing. They thought they are really a good provider. No, it is not. A good provider man is to provide a happy heart to their partner. Doesn't matter kasal kayo or hindi, basta kayo ay nagsama sa isang bubong, may mga anak man kayo o wala. Ang kailangan talaga naming mga ladies is a man that can provide emotional support, psychological support, and financial support. Hindi naman namin kailangan yung bongga. Pera na lang talaga sa mga babae na mga materialistic, no? Kasi they won't get satisfied pag yung ganito lang. Pero yung mga ibang babae, okay lang yan. Kahit na simpleng buhay lang, basta masaya ang puso nila. We consider our partner as a good provider if they provide a happy hearts to us. Okay? Sa bagay naman, no? This is what I have realized and learned during the time of my being a single mom. So when I was young the time, single mother for more than 5 years or almost 6 years, I don't have any relationship for that, and I just work, just provide the needs of my children and the needs of myself. And I realized that, oh, I can do this. What is the point having a partner, having a husband, kung sakit sa ulo, sakit sa bulsa, hilab sa tiyan? The second relationship, oh my God, it's not. So, hindi ko talaga yon pinatagal. Kasi guys, wala naman akong pakialam eh. Sa totoo lang, sinabihan ako na malandi ako, kasi paiba-iba ang lalaki ko, paiba-iba ang tatay ng mga anak ko. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng sexual relationship na ako ay may asawa, na ako ay may live-in partner. Wala akong ganyan. Nagkataon lang na I enter another the next relationship, pero hindi na works, 'di ba? But at least I learn. Kaysa naman pagtiyagaan ko ang isang lalaki, kasi nakakahiya na mag-iiwan o mag-aasawa ako ulit na ano ulit ng hindi yun eh, hindi yun bother sa akin. What the bother most is yung puso ko mapangalagaan, yun. Pag hindi naman siya ganong klaseng lalaki na makapag-provide ng ganon, what for I stay with that kind of shit man, diba? I become happy when I got this really good provider. Is Hill's father, that he is really nice. He provides on me happy hearts, and he is very considerate, and he provides financially support sa mga anak ko rin, although hindi siya yung tatay, and I treasure that. Pero sa kalaunan, nagkaroon ng third party. So, ayun na naman, hindi ko talaga yan anuhin, 'pag once na ikaw ay maghanap ng ibang babae is really understood na, hindi mo na ako kailangan. Kasi kung kailangan mo ko, hindi ka magaganon, hindi mo na siguro ako mahal, nag-expired na kumbaga. On that, situation as a single mother for 10 years, straight 10 years, I I'm I consider myself that I am a good provider because I provide the needs of my children. I pay bills. I I I do a lot of sacrifices, like I do a lot of rackets para lang matustusan ang pangangailangan namin ng mga anak ko. At the same thing, may special child. Oh, and of course, I provide something to myself as well. So I consider that I'm a good provider. So this is what kind of man I am looking for. So take note, ladies. We are all looking for a good provider man that can provide you emotionally, psychologically, financially. Aanhin ang lalaki na maraming pera kung iniiwanan ka lagi, nagbabarkada, nagsusugal, naglalaklak, 'di ba? It's pointless, it's useless, 'di ba? Pero mas masarap sa pakiramdam na kahit mahirap lang ang buhay, simpleng buhay lang basta nakakapag-provide ng mga pangangailangan, at the same time, masaya ang puso mo kasi iniiwasan niya na magkagulo kayo, umiiwas siya sa misunderstanding, or hindi naman maiwasan niya yan, at least he were there to compromise, 'di ba? To provide your needs emotionally and psychologically. That is the most important to us, ladies. So don't marry or don't commit to a man na hindi niya kayang ibigay yan sa'yo. Kasi nga, kawawa ka lang. Kawawa lang talaga. Mas maigi pa, magsusulo tayo sa buhay kaysa naman may partner tayo na sakit sa ulo. Kasi, nagre-reflex yan sa atin kung ano man ang naramdaman natin emotionally, psychologically, it will reflect in our outer beauty. Okay? So, have a blessed day every day and be happy.